The inspired marriage of fine mid-century aesthetic and the soothing ethos of hygge culminates in a tiny house design that is not merely functional but is a profoundly inviting and distinctively charming residence. This unique design approach fundamentally redefines the limitations typically associated with miniaturized living spaces, powerfully demonstrating how deliberate and imaginative interior planning can exponentially enhance comfort, character, and practical elegance. What emerges is an intentional prioritization of refined quality and deep contentment over quantitative spatial measurements, successfully creating a haven that masterfully balances vintage-inspired style with an innate sense of warmth and coziness. The pervasive mid-century modern influence establishes itself immediately through its hallmark features: uncluttered silhouettes, organically flowing shapes, and an unwavering dedication to streamlined functionality. The design frequently employs lustrous, natural wood tones, interspersed with bold pieces of furniture and carefully selected vivid color accents, such as deep mustard yellows. Key stylistic elements, including the smooth expanse of a rounded or kidney-shaped coffee table, the distinct profile of tapered wooden legs on seating, lively geometric patterns, and the subtle gleam of brass hardware, are seamlessly woven into the environment. These features collectively imbue the modest interior with an air of sophistication and enduring design. Critically, the deep-seated cultural concept of hygge, Danish and Norwegian term representing a feeling of intimate well-being and comfortable conviviality derived from appreciating life simpler pleasures serves to elevate the mid-century design from a purely aesthetic statement to one that is deeply resonant and soulful. Harsh, centralized overhead fixtures are judiciously avoided, giving way to a layered system of warm, diffused illumination provided by various table and floor lamps, complemented by the inviting flicker of a wood-burning stove or the safe, gentle glow of candles. Essential to this atmosphere are natural materials like dense wool, fine cashmere, and solid wood, which collectively forge a strong connection to the natural world and instill a pervasive feeling of quiet serenity. Furthermore, the deliberate integration of cherished mementos, favored books, and meaningful artwork significantly enhances this feeling of closeness and personal refuge, ensuring the structure functions not merely as shelter, but as a genuinely warm, dynamic home deeply reflective of those who inhabit it. The effectiveness of this synergistic design philosophy is beautifully exemplified in a skillfully executed, self-built tiny house that successfully incorporated these distinct elements within its approximately 300 square feet of interior space. By adopting an over-width construction, the builders consciously avoided the common sensation of a constricted hallway layout. This thoughtfully planned home boasts a full-size sofa nestled perfectly beside a cozy wood stove, creating a dedicated focal point for maximum hygge. The striking kitchen features custom-crafted cabinets paired with charming retro-style appliances, serving as a clear aesthetic nod to the mid-century era. Quaint, personalized touches abound, such as the unexpected detail of hot pink floor tiles in the bathroom, housing a delightful clawfoot bathtub. Constructed to remain relatively lightweight on its specialized, wider trailer chassis, the entire structure stands as a testament to the belief that high-quality, comfortable living is entirely attainable without requiring vast square footage. This powerful blend of mid-century sleekness and heartfelt hygge principles effectively transforms what is technically a mobile unit into an anchored, permanent feeling of home, proving unequivocally that a life rich in design, comfort, and intention is completely accessible within a highly compact environment. The deliberate convergence of the refined mid-century modern design language with the profound, comforting principle of hygge results in a tiny house model that transcends mere shelter, becoming a distinctly alluring and deeply soulful residence. This inventive spatial methodology fundamentally challenges and overcomes the typical spatial limitations inherent in compact dwellings, powerfully illustrating that meticulous, creative interior composition can dramatically elevate levels of comfort, distinct personality, and functional sophistication. The prevailing design philosophy here is a conscious choice to prioritize substantive quality and a feeling of profound inner well-being over the purely quantitative measure of floor area. thereby successfully fabricating a peaceful retreat that exquisitely balances its chic. The pervasive style of mid-century modernism instantly asserts itself through its signature characteristics: decluttered forms, gracefully curved elements, and an unyielding focus on intelligent, streamlined utility. This aesthetic frequently showcases the deep warmth of rich, natural timber finishes, purposefully accented by strong, singular furniture items and strategically placed bold, saturated hues such as vibrant mustard yellows, deep oceanic teals, or warm autumnal oranges